Hello, welcome. In this video, you will learn how to play an easy version of Three Little Birds. If you would like to see more tutorials like this one, subscribe to this channel. So this uses three chords, A, D, and E. If you have not mastered D and E, wait, don't leave. Use this song as your opportunity to master them. And let me teach you how to do it. Okay, so for A chord, use your peace fingers. Use these. Don't get creative and use something else. Use these two, please. We're going to put them here, just like you would for normal A. From A, we're going to move to D. So freeze that middle finger. Glue it to your fretboard and just add the ring and pinky behind it. If they don't fit, angle your hand. Don't just say, oh, they don't fit, I'm quitting. No, stay and try it. Okay, they should fit if you angle up. Pivot! Angle up and make them fit. So let's try 4 beats on A, 4 beats on D. Okay, you can do it. 1, 2, oh, by the way, keep your fingers close. Don't have them flying over here all far away. That's gonna make it hard for you to switch. Keep them close. Keep that hand kind of curved. Okay, so A for 4 beats. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, get ready for D, go. Back to A, go. Okay, let's try that again. Starting on A. You can do this. You've got this. Keep the hand close. Keep those the ring and the pinky curved. Starting on A. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, switch. 2, back to A, go. If you keep that index finger close, it'll be easy to go to A. If you make it fly away over here, it's gonna like throw you off. So always keep the hand really close. One more time, you've got this. 1, 2, on A, go. D chord, back to A. Okay, let's do the intro. It is super complicated. No, just kidding. It's just A chord. So let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. You're done. You're done with the intro. So easy, right? So getting into the song is where we get creative, and we will add a strumming pattern, or you can skip ahead if you've mastered this part. Okay, so we're starting on A, and we're going to switch to D a little later in the song, so make sure that these two fingers are ready. So let's start the song. 1, 2, ready, go. Don't worry about a thing. Switch to D. 'Cause every little thing, back to A, it's gonna be alright. How'd you do? I hope that wasn't as crazy as you might have thought it would be. Try again. Ready, go. Don't worry again about a thing. Switch to D. 'Cause every little thing, back to A, is gonna be alright. One more time. You've got this. Ready, go. Don't worry about a thing. D chord. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. The next part repeats the same pattern, so let's keep going. Ready, go. Sing and don't worry about a thing. D chord. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. So now let's do the intro and that first verse. Okay? 1, 2, ready, go. Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Keep going. Sing and don't worry about a thing. D chord. Every little thing is gonna be alright. So let's say that first part we just played was outside of your comfort zone already. Then what I want you to do is memorize where we just stopped and work on that for a few days straight, morning and night. You don't have to do like 30, 40, 50 minutes of it. No, just do it with the video once in the morning and once at night. Once you've mastered that, then we'll work from here to the next like piece of the song. Watch me do this next part and then we'll do it together. Rise up this morning, smile at the rising sun. Three little birds sit by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody's pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Okay, so the only like wrench we're throwing in here is the E chord. The only. That's a pretty big wrench, right? So go to A. And now with this middle finger, slide it down to the 4th fret. Go back to A. And just focus on the middle finger, slide it down to the 4th fret. And then pretend like you're doing D chord. Put the ring and the pinky behind you. Try that again. Go from A. Slide down to, and tuck these in there. Then we can add the index finger on the 2nd fret over here. So without the strumming hand, let's just try this. We gotta build this muscle memory. So go from A, slide down, tuck, index. Do that again from A, slide down, tuck, index. One more time. A, slide down, tuck, index. Remember again, if your fingers are sliding down to the next fret, it's because you need to curve this part. So curve it. Kind of curve and open on the inside. If you have an open hand, that's going to change your playing. Okay, so let's try that first phrase with the A and the E. Ready? Go. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds is by my doorstep, singing sweet songs. Slide down. A melody's pure and true. D, D, D. Saying, this is my message to you. So sorry, that part with E, all you're going to do is slide back 2 frets, but keep these in that same position because that's D chord. That's basically a D chord. You're just, you know, adding the index. So from E to D, it's just the difference of 2 frets minus the index. So go from E and slide 2, remove the index, D. Go back to E, slide 2, and remove the index. Okay, I think you can do that part. 1, 2, 3. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds is by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody's pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Okay, because this is an easy tutorial, I'm not adding anything crazy with the strumming. Like, we're already working hard enough with this hand. We don't need to do anything crazy with this one, right? So what we're gonna do is add a little baby chunk, but a chuck, something easy. So open hand, just kind of smack your uke. And then with your index finger, slide up. Try again. Chuck, slide up. Again. Chuck, slide up. So try 4 beats of that. Chuck, slide up, chuck, slide up. Ready, go. Try again. 1, 2, ready, go. Chuck up, chuck up. Again, ready, go. Chuck up, chuck up. Now keep going. Ready, go. Chuck up, chuck up, chuck up. Sorry. Okay, let's try that on A. 1, 2, ready, go. chuck up, chuck up, chuck up. Ah, sounds like the song already, right? Don't worry about a thing. Okay, so let's try that first verse, is it? Let's try that first verse with our little chuck, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Smile, da 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 da. Forgot it. Smile at the rising sun. Okay, so what I want you to do is practice. You have a lot to practice, right? A, switching from A to D, switching from D to E, and the little baby chuck. Then update me on your progress in the comments below. And once you're ready, I'll do a whole play along video where we don't do tutorial, just the whole play along of the song. How does that sound? Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you would like to see more like it, let me know in the comments below and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Sayonara! Hello, welcome. In this video, you will learn how to play an easy version of Three Little Birds. Hello, welcome. In this video, you will learn how to play an easy version of Three Little Birds. Three Little Birds! Do it this way. And the reason is that the stove is on. Hold on.